how to connect Cash App to Mercari. So what you need to do is log into Cash App. Then once we have logged in, we'll click on our profile icon in the top right. Now here we will scroll down until we see the section for linked banks. So just click on it. Then select the option link debit card. Now if you have a Mercari debit card, you will obviously type it out right here. But if you don't, we'll select the option no card, which instead is going to take us to a list of all of the different banking institutions. So just click on continue, and here we'll type out Mercari. Now if you see it, great, it's going to be, you can select it from this list. If you don't see it, just click on any option here, then go back and try to close this. Once we try to close it, we'll click on yes, exit, and instead it's going to take us to this screen where we can type out our bank's routing number. So here you want to get your Mercari routing number. It's going to be 9 digits, and if you type out your routing number right here and click on next, this is going to detect Mercari, and you can connect your Cash App to Mercari that way. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.